What's up, guys? Today is Tuesday. Going to work for the first time in like a little over a week because I've been on spring break vacation time. I'm just so dreadful for the amount of, what is it called, emails that I have to sit through and sift through. And I should have did this yesterday while I was off. Just go in and just look at all my emails and get that taken care of, but I didn't. So now I have to do it today. I'm hoping today is not a busy one. I'm hoping it's an easy day. And then today I found out something is not right with my car. The check engine light came on. The check engine light comes on, right? That's one of the things that has prevented me from getting my inspection done, because it comes on and I just have to wait till it go off so I can go get my car inspected. And I have never been able to really catch it at the right time. But this time when it came on, my car was shaking. So I checked the code on it, and it's another misfire in cylinder 2. And I've had that experience before. And so I'm gonna probably take it to the mechanics on tomorrow morning. Just to make sure they have a car for me to drive, because usually the day of they don't have a car for me to drive. So I'm gonna call them today to see if I can bring it tomorrow. So that's another annoyance. Making some fried fish fillets, broccoli and mashed potatoes in the bag. Okay, and the broccoli is frozen. So very easy, simple dinner. My wig is looking cray. Why does it look like this? I don't know, y'all. But anyway, we had a really busy day at work. First day back, I was expecting the emails to be super crazy, but it was not. So thank God for that. And then after work, I just started cleaning up and preparing for dinner. And then in about 30 minutes, I do have a online Bible study thing that I joined from the new church that I went to, Union Church. So I actually got sent the link. I didn't have a chance to meet up with the young lady who was the head of this group, because I didn't go to church on Sunday. I actually just slept in and just got really lazy, and basically I had a little depression episode, but we'll talk about that in another video. So she ended up just sending me the link for tonight, and hopefully we can get a chance to talk before or after the meeting so that she can get all the information she needs from me. But yeah, I'm looking forward to that. It starts at 7 p.m. I'm assuming it lasts about an hour. So we're going to do that tonight. And then get ourselves ready for tomorrow. Prince has homework to do, but he's sitting over there like he ain't got nothing to do. So, let me show you what he's doing. Hello, where's your homework? Prince?
What?
Where's your homework?
My folder?
Your homework.
Homework?
Yeah, where's your homework folder?
In my backpack.
Okay, I think I need to see it so we can get started on it.
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes! What's up, community? How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Today is Wednesday, my favorite day of the week, and we are just leaving this auto shop. I just dropped off my car, and I'm in this loaner car, which is something I really love.
Head south on Harriet Avenue toward East Comma Street, then turn right onto East Comma Street.
Something I really love about this place is they usually would give me a loaner car while they're fixing my car. So I'm going back home to get back to work. Last night I actually tried to start the vlog, and I showed you guys that I was making some dinner, and Prince was trying not to do his homework, but we did eventually get homework done. And then I also went to a virtual like Bible study, or like a Christian group. It really wasn't necessarily in the Bible. There was this book called Voices of God, How to Discern the Voice of God, and it's kind of like a book group. I am just now joining the group, but I will be getting that book and just going through it. And then the sessions are about to end. They actually have like 8 sessions, and they're on week 5 already, so we only have like 3 more weeks. And then they're going to be doing a summer session that's going to last for 6 weeks, so I'll be doing that. That group was super good. I want to try to invite you guys to do the group, join the group with me. I'm going to put the link down in the description box for those of you who wants to, who may be interested. I'll put the link down in the description box. You can be from anywhere because it's virtual. So if you are not in Charlotte, North Carolina, it doesn't matter, okay? You can still be a part of this book group or this Christian group. So I am headed back home right now. I don't have much planned for today. I just feel like I'm gonna be just working and trying to keep my house clean and figure out what's for dinner, things like that. The nails have been doing really well. This one did break off, but it broke off the tip, not like down here. So the glue that I had mentioned before, it's God, okay? That glue is everything. So if you're having problems with your nails popping off, as a person who used press-ons, try that glue. I guarantee you will not have any more problems, or you will have less problems. Let's put it away, less problems. Anyway, let me get myself home. I am driving, so I need to concentrate, and I will talk to you guys. I have a meeting in like 2 minutes, 1 minute, but I wanted to show you guys what I quickly grabbed myself for breakfast. So yeah, so I have these boiled eggs, salt, pepper, and hot sauce, because hot sauce is life. And then I have these jelly toast. I'm gonna eat this off camera while I join the meeting. There we go. So I'm in the car. I just picked up Prince. Say, hey, Prince. Why you looking so sad like that? Okay. Is that a good thing? That's a good thing, right?
Yeah.
So why are you frowning? That's okay. That's okay, buddy. So guys, I am on my way to pick up the car from the auto shop. It's $160 basically, but it was actually $620, right? But I told him I didn't have that much, so we did like the bare minimum to get it down to $160. And then I'm going to bring it back closer to payday to get the rest of it done. But it's not anything where like I would be like in a lot of trouble if I don't get it done. So yeah, that's the thing on that. And the reason why I didn't have enough is because somebody used my card information to hack into my account and ran up purchases over $400 some. So I had to put in a claim with my bank. At first I was hella frustrated. Like I was literally shaking because I'm like, oh my God, I have to pay for my car repairs and I don't have enough money to do that now. So I put in a claim. They said it's probably going to return back to me within 1 to 2 business days. So hopefully by Friday I'll have it. And if that's the case, then I'll take the car back to get the rest of the things that needs to get done. But it was, that's the reason, that's the whole ordeal, right? So I'm taking time off work to go and pick up the car because, like I said, I'm driving their loaner car, and they may have to give it to somebody else who wants to come in for repairs. So I have to take it back. As soon as they finish with my car, I take the stuff back. I take the car back and pick up my car. I can't like keep it overnight and stuff like that unless it takes that long for them to fix my car.
Turn left onto East 11th Street, then slide left onto the I-277
So I was
south
going
ramp.
to have Raymond drive this car back and pick up my car, but I felt like the guy was a little bit weary about that because he was just like, is he gonna crash our car? Is he gonna get into an accident?
Slide left onto the I-277 south ramp.
And I was just like,
in 1,000 feet, merge onto I-277 south.
About that, like, and then I could be the one to get into an accident. So I actually just decided I'll just take the time off work and go and do it myself since they loaned the car to me. Nobody else should be driving.
Continue on I-277 south for 1 mile.
So I went and picked up Prince, and now I'm going to pick up my car. And then today is Wednesday. It's not really anything planned, but Prince has to get all the rest of his homework done today. And dinner time. So that's it, guys. Kimmunity, it's Friday. So, guys, I am headed back home. I actually took my car back to the car dealership, the car repair shop. I don't even know if I've told you guys this yet or not, but I took my car to the repair shop on Wednesday, it was, and then I had some bank problems. So I couldn't get everything done. So the bank actually returned all of my monies yesterday. So I took the car back this morning so it can get everything done that it needs to get done. So I stopped by the what is it called? The QT to get a monster drink because I am tired, and I actually have never seen this one, Ultra Strawberry Dreams, and it's like thinner than the regular monster drinks. It's only 12 fluid ounces, and I think the other ones are like 20 ounce maybe, I don't know, so it's like less, and it's no sugar, 0 sugar. So I'm excited about that part. So I don't know how today's gonna go, but I definitely need to wash a bunch of clothes because it is piling up, and I have been avoiding doing laundry, but I really need to do it like ASAP. And then this weekend, I don't know exactly what I'm gonna be doing. I have no actual plans. I'll take that back. I be lying to y'all so much. The family is actually planning to give Raymond a party, or like a celebratory dinner, because his birthday was Monday. Planning to get together this weekend, or most of us are, and take him out to dinner. We're all supposed to wear like anime shirts because he's like really into anime. So I have to go and find me and Prince an anime shirt from somewhere, probably Target or something like that. It's somewhere that has a lot of graphic tees, and maybe even Walmart. Maybe I just don't be liking to go to Walmart, but maybe I should go to Walmart to see if they have some reasonably priced graphic tees. I was thinking about getting it from Amazon, but they were like $20. I'm like, I don't want to pay no $20 for something I'm probably gonna never wear again. And the shipping time it would have been too late. Like, you would have gotten here too late. So anyway, okay, trying to park, child, because this loaner car they gave me does not have a backup camera like my car does. So gotta do that. I might do that tonight when I get off work, just to get out of the house and do something, because I haven't really been out of the house, and I should have my car back by then. So we shall see, y'all. Anyway, I've been having some very sporadic depressive episodes, and I talked to my mom about it. I was like, Mom, I need you to pray for me and stuff like that. She's like, you need to go to the doctor and let them know that your medications are not really working. And every once in a while I have to recalibrate my meds, because my body, it basically, it just get used to it, and then it's not helping anymore. So that's basically what happens. And so she was like, you need to go to the doctor and talk to your doctor about it and all like that. And I agreed with her, but I also did not want to do it. I don't really want to go to the doctor. So I did schedule an appointment for next week. So y'all be looking forward to that next week, of me going to my physician's office and seeing what we can do, because basically it's like I really can't even get out of bed sometimes. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I have been starting a lot of vlogs like in the afternoon or in the evening hours. Like you haven't really been seeing me get up in the mornings that much in my vlogs anymore. That's because I haven't been able to get out of bed. That's another reason why I'm so late. I can't get out of the bed, and my mom was like, that's a problem, Kim, and you need to fix it. You need to go to the doctor. And I agree. I definitely agree. So I'll be going to the doctor sometime next week, Thursday of next week. It was supposed to be today, but child, I had to get my car fixed today, because the car place that I go to are not open on the weekends. Yeah, I like it. That's good. So I have to give myself a boost of energy today, because it's Friday. We want to get Friday done and over with, but I don't want to feel tired the whole day. Yesterday I felt tired the entire day. I went to bed super early and I still had problems getting up this morning. It's just crazy. So I think on top of that, I probably just need some more vitamin D, iron, those kind of supplements. So I'm gonna ask my doctor to give me that test, like test my blood to see what I'm low on, and so I can get my supplements from the CVS, Walgreens, or whatever. Actually, I have seen this commercial or this ad on Instagram about a black girl vitamin D, like a black-owned company that provides supplements for black people, like vitamins for black people. I think I might order that, because I'm all about supporting black-owned businesses, and I feel like I was taking some vitamin D gummies that I got from Walgreens or CVS or somewhere, and I still was feeling the same. So it wasn't doing anything. And then I see a lot of testimonies that people are saying, yeah, I feel more energized and this and that. So I definitely want to give that a try. I'm out here taking a little break, and Raymond is working my goddamn nerves. Can't trust him. Can't trust him. I told him to park my car. I was like, Raymond, just stop lying to me and tell me the truth. He's like, I am telling you the truth. No, you're not. Your story not making a thing. But anyway, I'm going to calm down, get myself something to eat. I'm gonna go to the office, call the office to see if I still got a package there, and then we're gonna be all good. Hey guys,
So
we're in Walmart if you can't tell.
Mom?
Favorite cake frosting?
Yeah, that was my plan.
So I'm coming to Walmart because tomorrow we're having...
That's a backpack.
You like it?
Yes.
The dinosaur one? Is that the one you're looking at? Look at the Paw Patrol one. Look at that's JoJo Siwa. Star Wars. Baby Yoda.
Spider-Man.
Look at that one. Marshall. Is that Marshall or?
Marshall. Paw Patrol. Marshall. This is Paw Patrol. Oh, we don't watch it. You don't just watch. I want to watch this like this. Can I get one?
Not today.
Oh. Why?
But they'll keep it in mind for things you want for your birthday. So guys, like I was telling you, Raymond's having his birthday dinner tomorrow, and it's supposed to be a anime theme. So everybody's supposed to wear anime t-shirts. So that's what I'm here at Walmart for, looking for wonderful prints and one for myself.
That pencil? What are those?
I think they were socks. So we're just gonna go through looking at these teas. Plants, move. Just looking at these graphic tees to see what we can find. I hope they got something.
What are we getting? Like, there's nothing that we can get.
We're looking for anime shirts. I don't know, maybe I'm in the wrong section or something. I am still very disappointed in Ray and how he upset me yesterday. But we're gonna have a nice little talk at some point in my life. I'm not so good with the talk, guys, but it has to be done, you know? I think we found some stuff. I think this is good for me. Now we just gotta find something for you. Yeah. Sorry. Come on, bud.
I want my own shoes that slides and it makes me have roller skates.
Oh, I've seen those shoes before.
It's like Virginia.
Virginia has those?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, when you swipe them. And they also have chargers.
They have chargers.
Look. This is really about condition. Oh yeah. Look at this.
Okay guys, so here I am in the car. We're at Wendy's and I am trying to hold back unnecessary tears. There's no reason for me to be sad or depressed or anything like that. I literally just came out of Target from shopping, but all of a sudden my heart just started beating fast. I started feeling super sad, and now I'm feeling like I'm wanting to cry. I am holding it back as hard as I can because Prince is in the back seat and I don't want him to see his mom crying, gonna ask me what's wrong, and I have no answer to that. So this is an example of me dealing with my depression just out of the blue. It just pops in. I just have these depression episodes, and it hasn't really been happening like that previously. Maybe over the last 2 to 3 weeks it'll be like this, like very random, which is why I know my medications need to be recalibrated. So anyway, I just wanted to pop in this little clip to show you guys this kind of randomness of sadness that happens due to my life with depression. I don't know if you guys can see that because of my dirty windshield, but that's the animal control.
Edit it now. Okay, Mom, I'm gonna edit with you.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna make a video with you.
It was like they're picking up this dog that came from this Petco. I think somebody left their pet.
Hi guys, so look at my mom. We're gonna make art together. Look at my mommy. Right over there.
They're trying to get him to go inside of the van.
Why?
I guess somebody left him at Petco.
Hey, that's rude. Guys, lock them below to destroy them. Destroy them. Because there's...
So, we're in this Wendy's line, get ready to get some dinner, and I see one of the workers of the Petco come out with this dog, and this animal control truck rolls up. And I'm like, are they giving a dog to the animal control? Like, why? And the only thing that I can think of is that someone left their dog inside the store.
Okay, guys. So this dog, like, I'm so sad.
Prince is recording his video.
Just like you. I'm just gonna show them, okay? Outside. Guys,
Okay.
I know you can't really see that, but look. They're trying to put the dog out. Like, could you see the dog? That is very...
I feel so bad.
Me too. We should stop them.
We can't.
Why?
Because what are we going to do with another dog?
Well, so what are we going to do?
She already put him in the back, but now they're just standing there talking to the employees. I guess the employees trying to get information about maybe what's going to happen to the dog. I'm just making stuff up, child. I don't know what they talking about.
Guys, you should probably like and subscribe to destroy them.
To destroy who?
The guys.
The animal control people? They're just doing their job.
Guys, could you see me?
Oh,
My neck.
I think I might get a salad. And then I'm also thinking about the 4 for 4. I feel like anytime I go to Wendy's now, I want the 4 for 4 since I did that challenge. But I think I want to do a salad tonight.
Okay. Guys, could you see now?
They have a grilled chicken wrap. That's something new.
Okay. So, guys, you want to see
Maybe I'll do that. Grilled
Okay,
chicken
guys.
ranch wrap.
Do you want to see this? I don't want to see this. Mom, look at my editors. Mom, we are editing together today. Today!
Like, what's going to happen to this dog, guys?
I think they're going to take him in
I
this.
hope he get adopted.
I think they're going to cut him a little bit. I don't know what's going to happen. Guys, like him below if you know what's going to happen.
You're such a good vlogger.
Thanks, Mom.
Hey guys, I got this salad. This is a Cobb salad. And I got Prince a Happy Meal. He's back there taking pictures, being a real influencer.
Hi guys, so I'm out. I'm in the car, so we're not eating, but the other day is gonna be my mom's birthday. I'm pretty going a lot, so guys, you better look at that video next time. It's gonna be a lot of fun, you guys. You gotta follow it. You gotta follow it. It's gonna be so cool. Cat videos is going viral right now. You know what that? And it's so cool, like with Bible.
Cat videos are going viral right now, Prince?
Yeah.
Wow.
Cat videos. Cat.
People love pets.
No, cat. Cat is a human.
Cat? I thought you were talking about like a cat, like an animal.
No, a human.
Is her name Cat?
Yeah.
Oh.
She's a girl. Duh.
Okay, excuse me.
And she's Zon's boyfriend.
She's whose boyfriend?
Zon's.
I don't know who that is.
He's a boy, duh.
Obviously, but I know you ain't done me. I ain't even one of your little friends. Okay, guys, I'm trying to do the Kardashian salad shake, so I'm trying to put the lid back on so I can shake my salad. So yummy.
I expect a picture for Emily, not for you. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, get it home.
What's up, community? How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? We are running behind, child. What's new? Huh? What is new? But actually, today's Sunday, and I just got finished filming like a get ready with me, and I've spent way too much time on it, child. Way too much. Now we are headed to what is it called? The Publix to pick up a cake for Raymond's birthday dinner that we're having after church today. And then I have to be to church at 11:30. It is 10:11, so I have to go to Publix, pick it up, bring it back to the house, get Prince ready, because Prince has not gotten ready. I've gotten ready, but Prince has not. Get Prince ready, and then leave out the house by 11 a.m. And that's in like 45 minutes. So we are trying to do what we can to make it on time. I didn't even wear my glasses today. Well, I'm going back home, so I'll probably just grab them when I get back in the house. I had in mind to wear something different, so I might even change my clothes when I get back in the house. Who knows, child? I'm just all over the place right now. And yeah, that's what we're doing today. So here we go.
You can come out and get your car, but actually you can come in and get your car. That's so cool.
It's exciting. So guys, Prince is...
Mom, can I go in that cart?
No.
Why?
Why are you trying to get in carts? You're like too big for carts.
I basically am. I can still fit in a cart.
Yeah, you can. You can, but we're going to be in and out of here. I'm not doing all this extra work.
Please.
No. We're just going to pick up our cake and try to grab something to eat for breakfast because we have not eaten.
Please.
No, sir. Yeah.
Go here. Wow.
Hi, I'm picking up a cake.
Okay, yeah. What's the name on it?
Kimberly Dew.
What was that?
Kimberly Dew. D-E-W.
You know what it is decorated like?
Is black icing with red trim.
Black icing with red trim. Just have to put the quarters on it. Having like 3
Okay, perfect.
Hi. Is it yours?
No, it's his brother's.
You still get to eat some though, right?
Yeah.
Strawberry flavor.
On the inside.
Oh, so that means.
So guys, the cake's not quite ready yet.
Come back. I'm gonna tell Bell he loves strawberry.
Yeah, he does.
Just as me.
I'm thinking I can get some of these donuts to eat for breakfast. What do you think, Prince?
How about chocolate donuts?
Chocolate donuts. How about these? These are apple fritters.
For apple fritters.
It's got like apples in it. It's the olive bar, guys. You don't like that?
No. What is it? Get away from me.
It's just spinach and pasta. Greek style pasta. Caesar pasta. Oh my god, this looks so good. And it's only like $3. I think I'm gonna take this. I think this is what I'm eating. That's some hard-boiled eggs. For whatever reason, I have been craving eggs. So I'm not gonna get that. I got eggs at home. Go.
Wow, that looks like an awesome day. Is that your cake?
Hey guys, we're back home. While we was in Publix, I went and got these gold sparkly sprinkles. Gold shimmer sugar sprinkles. And I'm just going to put it all over the cake. The top of the cake. And then I have this that I got from Walmart to put it on top of that. And two other things. Hold on. Okay guys, here are some cake toppers. I feel like some of these came out, but I think this is enough to do what I need to do. It's just little cake toppers from his birthday, well, from the cake that he had. Yes, put that on. When he came back home, y'all can't even see. When he came back home from prison, I had him a cake, and I had these cake toppers that I got from Amazon, so I'm gonna add that to it too. Hey, Ray.
I want to be with you forever. Please?
Sprinkles.
Would you come with me and run away?
Okay guys, here's how the cake's looking. I think it's gorgeous. I think it's beautiful. I think it's simple and easy. The only thing is that I can't close this with the happy birthday thing on there, so I think I'm just gonna sit it right here. Good job, buddy.
Thank you.
We made it here. I'm about to go in and get our worship on, and we will see you when we get out. Although I'm probably gonna put some
I
clips.
brought my phone. Take my phone because I want to take some pictures.
No, you're not gonna take pictures in church. I'll probably get some clips here and there. I'm gonna do it on my phone, okay? You can take pictures at the dinner. He's serious about this vlogging thing, y'all. He is serious about this vlogging thing. Come on, buddy. Kids buffet is $3.99 every day. Guys, we are at Golden Corral. Here's Star and King. Star, King, my other sister Vonda. There's Ray. Ain't nobody got on no anime.
I got this one.
Yeah, man, big one.
I got Dina's shirt because she said she didn't have one. Anyway, we're waiting on one of our other sisters. Then we're gonna go inside and eat. So, hey guys, for those of you who don't know what Golden Corral is, it's a buffet style Southern American eats. What do you want to get? Pizza?
Yeah.
Chicken?
No, pizza.
Oh look, pizza's right here. Prince.
Choose my please.
Okay guys, I got me some fried fish, some okra, some Bourbon Street chicken, some yellow rice, some black eyed peas, greens, and a salad. Look who made it, y'all.
Okay.
Nikki, why your lips so shiny? Try to smile now, guys, because the last time y'all see her in the last vlog, she was keeping Prince from hugging me. Yeah.
They didn't see that.
They did see that.
You want to record that?
Yeah, it's already posted.
What?
What is that? Ice cream?
Chocolate ice cream.
It looked like it's lumpy.
I put vanilla, but I don't think there was no more.
Guys, so church was really good.
Stop.
I got a whole revelation that I'm going to talk to you guys about at a later time. So, see here? So you and your mama ain't got no shirt.
I'm serious. Stop.
That's good.
Mama, say hi.
You scared that you because you came with
But I'm going to tell her. I ain't scared. I'm going to tell her.
Mama, say hi to the
second floor. You trying to talk yourself out. Like you're not alone.
I'm trying to think of some, you know. So what happened, y'all? I bought a shirt for my sister.
I saw the fear in my eyes. She said, oh, that's good.
I bought a shirt for my sister. I already told y'all this yesterday that I bought this shirt for her.
She's scared.
But then when
She took
Nikki and Marie, when Nikki and Morel came, we wasn't expecting to come. And they didn't know about the theme. And she was late, so I gave her shirt to Morel. And now she's here and ain't got the shirt. Yeah, this is my second plate.
You knew I was busting out laughing.
There's my first plate and my salad. And we're going to take a little rest and then I'm going to go back.
Don't try to take a little rest.
Why?
You try to eat it. I can't see the altercation that's going on. You be leaving home and
Hey, Mom. Hi,
okay, wait a second.
How you doing?
I can't afford to laugh like this. I'm going to regurgitate it. Do you recognize that shirt?
Give me my shirt.
I figured, I was like, I don't count you till you heal. I don't count you till you heal.
I'm so used to y'all being late.
Yeah, I know that. I know, right?
She said that. Let me know when you get there.
Nuh-uh, keep that shirt. I done gave it to you. It has the arms in it. You was little though. You little. That's a whole man large. They was like, Kim, what you gonna do with Denny? I said, Denny probably ain't coming.
So she been prepared. She gonna turn off the camera. I'm gonna talk to y'all. Leaving all the good stuff out here. She coming so trying to prepare for when you was about to come around that corner.
I was like, stop. Happy birthday.